Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm thinking about trying to get through all these boxes that I got through. Try to get them all done today. I don't know if I can get them all edited up today. So I might try to just open all the boxes today and just upload them on different days. What y'all think about that? All right, let me go get to this next box I have sitting around. It's Dino Wesson. Y'all know it's official right now. I'm on I think this will be my 6th uploaded video. Y'all bear with me. We about to make history with these ones. With these videos that I'm getting up. I say all my cops is good so far. Still actually don't really know what this one is either. I don't really have a way to see to track them. I just, well, I could if I wanted to, but I don't really deal with it. I just find out what I'm getting once I open it. So I'm taking y'all through this experience with me. Let's see. I have my little camel knife, but I don't know what happened with it. Alright. Let's see. Let's see. The bottom of the box kind of busted, but I already know this is from Soul Skills because they say it on the box. Alright, let's see. This one is. I be having the hardest time with these boxes. I don't know why. Okay. Soul Skills. I got these on Soul Skills. Let's see. Check on the box. The box is kind of beat. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what this number means. It's like, do I got Jumpman box tickets? Do I got Jumpman box tickets on he sold in and put in? I don't know. These are some 10.5s. Air Jordan 8 retros, white stealth, orange blades, and silver. Alright. Y'all look at the box. Product number. All that good stuff. Alright, let's see. Damn. I don't think I've ever seen these in real life before. Okay. What y'all think it is? Y'all rocking or y'all dropping these? I think these are some hitters. I'm not gonna stunt. I usually steer away from shoes like these because the color, sometimes it's hard to color, but if you know what you're doing, you can put something together. I'm pretty sure I can. Okay, I got the Jordan card. I don't really know if I have too many of these. I wish Jordan would get back to putting these back into the boxes. I like these. It add a little nice little vintage touch to it. Alright. Something else in the box, just the regular paper in the box. Alright, so let's get to the shoes. Let's get to this review. Alright. These are pretty big. These are some 10.5s, but they're pretty big. The material's pretty good. Let me read the tag. Let me get to the tag real quick. I don't know the nickname for these. If y'all know what the nickname for these is, get into the comment section and put down what y'all think these is. I actually like them. I'm trying to find a tag on them, but I can't see it. Okay, the production date is from. These came out in 07. See, it's kind of tight. You know how these are. So let me see. Hold on. Second, let's see if I can. Alright, see if I can get these. Get y'all a good picture of these. These are, it's an all white silhouette. Like I said, it's a white stealth orange. That stealth orange right here is kind of a little bit more yellow. I don't know if that's because of the age, but that's how it originally came. And it's a blaze silver. It's that blaze silver. Okay. I like this. I like this leather. I like this leather. It's not. It's tumbled along the actual strap of the shoe. That's like tumbling. It's a clean looking leather, smooth. It's just a regular Air Jordan 8. Pretty sure y'all seen a bunch of Air Jordans 8 before. This is very different. I appreciate them experiment with colors. I think this is nice. I think you could get an exclusive fit with this. Just find something to go exclusively with this and these shoes with. We'll bring it together and sew it up all the way nice. But let me give y'all a look at the shoe from this view. Toe box, the lacing system, of course that tongue. Get y'all a good look at the tongue. Get y'all a good look at the tongue. Get y'all a good look at the tongue. That orange, I like the tongue. I love this about the 8. This is the one thing that has me in love with the 8s. I love the 8s actually. I don't really collect them too much, but I like the way it's like a retro feel to them. I love this strap. I don't really wear 8s that much, but maybe I'll start rocking them more. This one is making me remember why I like 8 so much. Has that I wouldn't say mesh material, but I would say breathing for like make the shoes breathe. The midsole, I think it has a little age on it, but you know, age gives it character, so ain't too bad. The inside of the shoe, it's pretty much desktop condition. Definitely, I told you it's from Soul Steels. The bottom is clean. Look like it's never been stepped on. I don't even know if it's been tried on, to be honest with you. It don't look like it has. It's supposed to be all desktop or brand new condition from Soul Steels. Here is the bottoms. Alright, y'all tell me what y'all think of these. Are these something y'all rocking? Are y'all dropping these? Are these hot or not? It's just are y'all cashing in on these? Are y'all dashing on them? Tell me what y'all think of these. Are these dope to y'all? I think they're dope. I definitely appreciate these. These are exclusives to me. Because I've never really seen them before other than when I got the purchase. I remember picking these ones out. I couldn't really get to the stuff that I wanted to, so I said, I'm gonna pick these ones up. I ain't never seen them before. Now they in hand. I'm really happy that I made this purchase. So y'all let me know what y'all feel about these. Get in the comments. Give me some more info. I do plan on doing a more detailed video on this one. Try to do an on feet with a fit. If that's something that y'all want, let me know in the comment section. Alright, it's Dino Wesson coming back with a lesson on some heat. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know what y'all feel about this. Get in the comment section. Let's talk. Let's keep this conversation open. Y'all get into the comment section with further. Let's try to build this channel. I have I have faith in y'all that we can build this channel up to something that is different from the rest of the channels. Alright, y'all comment, share, refer this to your friends and family. Like this video if you like the content that I'm bringing you. Like if you like what I'm doing. Try to help and get me up there a little bit more visibility so I can be able to have a bigger platform for you guys. Yeah, tell me what y'all think. I'm not sure what I got on the price. I'm gonna try to get that back to y'all. But yeah, these are Air Jordan 8s. Comment the nicknames if you know them. Like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to keep you in the loop on what's going on. Wes, peace. I'm out. Dino Wesson, gone.